Hello student, this is class 10th science. This is chapter 4 carbon and its compound. This is part 4. In this video we will discuss the various structure of molecule. This is the formation of covalent bonds. First, H2O. Molecule of H2O has single covalent bond between one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. The structure of H2O is represented as this is called electron dot structure. The structure is represented as H2O, I mean water. H2O, in H2O, one oxygen and two hydrogen. Oxygen is represented as oxygen 8, I mean 6 electron in outermost shell of oxygen. 6 electrons of outermost shell of oxygen. And hydrogen have only 1 electron in outermost shell of electrons. This is represented by dot. And then after sharing the electron, it becomes oxygen and then hydrogen S. This is represented as. So the 8 electron of oxygen is S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hydrogen have 2 electron in outermost shell because hydrogen has only one shell. And the first shell contain maximum number of electron is equal to 2. Contain only 2 electron. So in this hydrogen contain 2 electron and oxygen have 6 electron. The structure is represented as, in this case only 1 electron pair is sharing, so only single bond is represented between oxygen and hydrogen. So the structure of H2O is represented as H2O. Then the ammonia. Second is ammonia. NH3 is called ammonia gas. Ammonia. In this case, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of hydrogen. Nitrogen, its atomic number is 7. So nitrogen have 5 electron in outermost shell of nitrogen. This is nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 electron in outermost shell of nitrogen. And this is hydrogen. Hydrogen have only 1 electron. And 1 hydrogen is represented as and 1 is S. Because 3 atom of hydrogen in ammonia. It's represented, so the sharing of electron takes place. After sharing of electron, then the ammonia represented as so it is represented as. In this case nitrogen have 8 electron, so its octet is completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and hydrogen have 2 electrons. So In this case, one electron pair is sharing, so only single bond is formed in ammonia. Only single bond is formed in ammonia, and this is the 2 electron which is represented as in H2. These are 2 electron which is also represented as. And the next is CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide. Third is CO2. This is carbon dioxide gas. In this case, one atom of C, I mean carbon. In this, 4 electron is represented as. These electron are outermost shells electron of carbon, and oxygen which is represented as. These are the 6 electron of outermost shell of oxygen, and second oxygen which is represented as. And after sharing of electron, after sharing, then CO2 is formed as 2 electron of oxygen and 2 is C6. So in this case, electron sharing takes place as. In this case, one pair and one pair, 2 pair electron, 2 electron sharing takes place. So it is represented as. In this case, 2 electron pair sharing takes place. So single, I mean this is double bond formation in CO2. Next is CH4. Fourth is CH4. CH4 means methane. It is also called gobar gas. Also called Mars gas. It is also called biogas. CH4, in this case C is one atom. C contain 4 electron in outermost shell, and one atom is hydrogen. 4 atom of hydrogen which is represented as. After sharing of electron, the bond formation is represented as. This is 2 electron of hydrogen, this is the 8 electron of C6. In this case, one electron pair sharing is takes place, so only single bond is formed in methane. In this case, only single bond is formed in methane. Single bond only. The next is ethylene. The fifth is ethylene gas. Its formula is C2H4. In this case, 2 atom of C and 4 atom of hydrogen. C, it has 4 electrons, and C, it also has 4 electrons, and hydrogen, which has only 1 electrons. 4 hydrogen, which is represented as. In this case, after sharing of electron, after sharing of electrons, then the structure of ethylene becomes one hydrogen, then second hydrogen, second C, which is represented as. This is the 8 electrons. This is the 8 electron of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8 electron of C, and this is the 8 electron of second C. In this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this case, 2 electron pair sharing it takes place. So in this case, 2 single bond is formed. 2 single bond is formed. And in this, only 1 electron pair sharing takes place, so only single bond is formed. This is the double bond formation in ethylene, C2H4. Notes of this topic is as: the first structure is H2O, second is ammonia. Next, third is CO2. Fourth is methane, CH4. Next is ethylene. Which is represented as